Find the square root of 729. Solution. And to find the square root, we use the rule of divisibility. Now, what number can divide 729 without having remainder apart from 1? We start from the smallest number, 3. 729. 72 divided by 3. What do we have? 24. 9 divided by 3. What do we have? 3. Now, the next number is also 3. 24 divided by 3. 8. And 3 divided by 3. 1. What number will go again? 3. 81 divided by 3. What do we have? 8 divided by 3. What are we having? 2. Remainder 2. So if you put the 2 in front of 1, what will you have? 21. 21 divided by 3. What do we have? 7. Now, 27 divided by 3. 9. And now, 3 again. 9 divided by 3. We have 3. Then, we use 3 again. What do we have? 3 divided by 3. 1. This is what we need. And we now apply the principle of pairing same numbers together. Same number. So we have square root of 729 to be equal to plus or minus. We open a bigger square root. Then we pair the first two numbers. 3 times 3 times the next two, 3 times 3. Then times the next two, what do we have? 3 times 3. Now, we have plus or minus square root of what? 3 times 3, the same thing as 3 square. Times 3 square times what? We have another 3 square. So now, this is plus or minus. What do we have here? When you find square root of 3 square, the answer is the base, which is this 3. So the square root of 3 square is what? Is 3. Times square root of this 3 square, 3. Square root of this 3 square, 3. So what do we have? Plus or minus 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So we now have the answer to be what? 27 or minus 27. That is the answer to the question.